more than ever, Nigeria needs priests who are dedicated. Our country is bedeviled by many issues, many difficulties, people who are clamoring for division, for secession, people who do not even know why they are being used to do this. Priests must not be silent in standing prophetically to look into the future with great hope and to spread this hope in our land. We cannot afford to see our country, Nigeria, destroyed by a few selfish individuals who are mobilizing forces both within and outside this country to destroy this beautiful nation. And the beauty of this country is the fact that people of different ethnic groups can truly work together. We can live together. Some of them are British citizens. They cannot stay in Britain and call for secession in Britain, and they will allow them there. They know it. One man there is shouting from Finland, mobilizing, organizing people who are in New York, who are in different places. If you really want to fight, come home. Bring your families down, bring everybody there, but don't destroy Nigeria. We are not going to allow that to happen. Don't destroy Nigeria. When you are staging riots, where all kinds of commotion over there, you go to work neatly, you have 3 meals, your children are in school, and here you have no love for this country. The only love you have is to divide this country, partition it so that you can make money on arms and stage war. Nigeria must remain an entity, a sovereign nation. But that does not mean the politicians have the right to do whatever they think they can do. No. They have to govern this place, this nation, with a sense of God. Fear of God, love of God. The world is such a way becoming one family. And here are some people clamoring for division. Over the years, Nigeria's economy is going down the drain because of this insecurity. The federal government does not even have budget for anything right now. Every day you listen to news, you read about the exchange rate. Naira is going down, and more, before you know what's happening, Naira will become the former Zimbabwean dollars. Nothing will have no more value. Why? Because selfishness is at the root of all these problems we have. So politicians in Nigeria, they have sacred duty in the name of God to do the right thing. Don't be squandering money as though the resource is endless. No. No country, the amount of money that Nigerian politicians are spending, no country in the world can afford that. How they should be, Nigerian politicians should be ashamed of the country, the present predicament of this country. They should be ashamed of it. How do you even go out? If you go, I don't even contemplate traveling soon. Because if you come now and introduce yourself, you are a Nigerian, the way they are looking at you, as if you are from one kind of banana country with no governance. Electoral fraud here and there, politicians without conscience, they do things and continue to do things with impunity, nothing. They think that nobody can hold them accountable. The future will hold every politician accountable for whatever happens here. And God who created Nigeria will hold every individual who is destroying this country in order to run away to live in another country, God will hold him responsible and his own generations responsible. Because Nigeria must remain. Nigeria must survive.
Thanks for checking out SYMFONI on YouTube. Please be sure to subscribe and like our videos for updates.